The Public Sector Accountancy and Audit Academy, in partnership with Saudi Training, would like to invite participants to attend the Python for Accounting and Financial Professionals training. The training will be held for 5 days, scheduled from the 6th to the 10th of June at the Leonardo in Sandton, South Africa.
This 5 days intensive workshop will help participants to apply key programming concepts such as set up a coding environment to write and run code in Python, load and aggregate data from commonly available resources such as PDF, Excel files, and CSVs, write algorithms to manage, process, and optimize data, working with loops, and managing decisions with control statements, create data visualization for reporting and analysis. We all know that data is a key contributor to business scalability. The accounting and financial professional plays a major role in dissecting data to derive meaningful insights. Python for Accounting and Finance program shall enhance your skill sets in processing and optimizing financial data for business analytics. Our hands-on exercises uses Python to solve problems encountered in the finance domain with respect to assimilation, extraction, and interpretation of large financial data. We are looking forward to see you there for you to take a big leap in your digital journey.
Contact us at www.publicsectoracademy.co.za or you can email us at training@publicsectoracademy.co.za or call us at 010-109-6243 or via Saudi Training at www.saditraining.com or email info@saditraining.com or you can call on 012-846-7118.